Hi everybody, hope you're doing well today. Thought it might be a little bit easier to explain this assignment, your Take 5 presentation and reflection, through an instructional video. So let's head on into Moodle. The first step is to find the assignment. It is called Take 5 Presentation and Reflection, and then carefully read the directions. As you begin, you'll see submit the assignment through this document. When you hover over this document, it should create a link for you to click. Once you click on the document, it'll ask you to make a copy as such, and then your first task is to rename the document. So you just come on up and change the words name and section to literally your name and the section that you're in. Then carefully begin reading the directions. There are two parts to include. One offers presentation information, and the second is your written reflection. And both parts will go into this single document. So for part one, I'm asking you to include a description and an image of whatever you shared in the synchronous class meeting. Part two, you are being asked for a written reflection with three components. The first is a synthesis of what you did. The key word is synthesis. Do not list things. Reflect upon it and synthesize what you did. Did you like being inside, outside, by yourself, with others, quiet, noisy? Did you try something new and that was satisfying for you? Just all different ways to think about your Take 5 activities in a synthesized manner. The second component is how it served you. How do you feel about what you did? And some things might have helped you feel great, some things maybe not so great. So include that as well. That's kind of funny. The third part is whether you will continue these moments and why. And then finally, to be reminded that it's a 5-point assessment. You can earn 2 points for their presentation information and 3 points for including the 3 components above. I hope this was helpful. Please email if needed. Thanks and take care. Bye.